Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody.
Today we are grabbing breakfast at a little New Orleans brunch spot called the Ruby Slipper.
#1 rated on Yelp, so come get lost with us today.
Oh, I'm so glad you guys made it. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you ring that notification bell because when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're still going to be dropping off the Strat. And I can't wait to take you guys with us. So let's go.
We headed over to the Ruby Slipper that was located in the Pelham Hotel, which you'll see right here in the corner in this picture. This location is mostly street sitting, but there are some good views of the downtown area when you're waiting.
All right, now that we've taken a seat, we're gonna show you guys the inside and around the outside. Alright, so our food just came out and both of us got the biscuits and gravy and added the fried chicken. However, I decided to put the sweet heat sauce on my chicken and Gary got the original. So I'm going to start off with the sweet heat chicken. That's really good. It's not too spicy. The chicken is really nicely fried. It's tender, it's juicy. Yeah, that's really good. All right, next up, biscuit. It is also really tasty. All right, last up, we got some fried green tomato. Oh, go ahead.
Thank you.
Tomato's really good. Really nicely seasoned, really nicely fried. I think it's all gonna go together really nice. Let's see what Gary thought about his.
All right, so I got the country biscuits with gravy, and I got the chicken added on. So this is just the regular.
It's good, right? Orgasmic good?
So beer battered chicken, really, really tasty, well fried, nice and fresh. You get 2 nice little pieces of its breast meat, so it's really pretty good. Let's try the biscuits and gravy. Now the gravy is a sausage gravy. Sausage gravy is really good. The biscuits are clearly made in-house. They're a nice size. Really kind of chewy on the inside, a little bit rough on the outside, which I like. And by rough, I mean like, hard on the outside. Really good, and the gravy's really fantastic. I will try the fried green tomato. It's got like a panko crust. The tomato is a little bit sour, like green tomatoes are. Overall, really good meal. So we're gonna finish up eating our meal, and then we'll come get you with our conclusions when we get done.
Gonna wrap up our brunch over at the Ruby Slipper.
Yeah, so what did you think of the experience?
The food was tasty, I have to say. The food was tasty. It wasn't super expensive. They do have like Bloody Marys and mimosas that you can get. However, the wait was a little atrocious.
Yeah, we waited almost 2 hours to get seated. And then to get our food, it took another almost an hour.
Yeah, we
So,
headed down here at 9:30, and we didn't actually get food until about 11:20.
So definitely utilize the online check-in well before you go, because even like now for lunch, it like ebbs and flows, but it's kind of packed up again at lunchtime. So definitely use that online check-in.
Yeah, and our server was it was a little bit hit or miss.
It was horrible service.
Yeah, I never got a refill on my water. Definitely.
She only visited the table truly twice.
Yeah.
And one of that time was to drop off the ticket seconds after the food came, which you can see in the video.
Which we'll throw a little clip here
Yeah.
and show you. Like, we were trying to actually talk about the food because it had literally just got in front of us, and she dropped off the bill.
And then she never came back.
No.
So again, not great service, but she was overworked for sure.
They were short in the kitchen. She was trying to help in the kitchen. So, I mean, I can totally understand. I used to be a server, so.
Yeah. But the food, okay. It definitely does presentation over actual practicality, though. Like the biscuits and gravy being on a wide open plate didn't really make sense, because you got like the soupiness of the gravy that you've got to keep on that plate without any type of ridges on the side. So definitely presentation over function.
And if you have the over easy eggs like we did, that kind of adds to the soupiness.
Yeah.
But I mean, I enjoyed it. I'm not hungry anymore, but definitely make sure you guys use the online check-in and just be prepared to wait.
Yeah, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to that channel,
and ring the notification bell,
because you want to be notified when we do more travel content.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys in the next adventure.
Yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.